Welcome. In front of me is a POCO Pad M1, and today I'll show you how you can enable and set up your Do Not Disturb mode. So to get started, you'll want to swipe down from the top right side of the screen like so, and find the Do Not Disturb mode, which I don't think is added by default, so we will need to do that ourselves by clicking right here on this edit button. Now anything with the green plus is the toggles that are not added by default. So you're looking for the Do Not Disturb mode right over here. Click on the plus. Now it is labeled as DND, short for Do Not Disturb mode. Now when you add it, then click on the check mark and you can see we have now access to it right here. So we're going to hold it in this panel and this will take us to the settings. Now it doesn't look like we have much in terms of settings. We have basically the turn on and off. Only when device is locked, so this would mean that it would only run when you're not using the device, and schedule mode. If you want to use a schedule, you'd set it up in here. But for any kind of manual use, you would just find the toggle and instead of holding it, just tap on it. And you can see it's now enabled. Now when you manually enable it, you will also need to remember to turn it off by tapping on the toggle for the second time. So with that being said, hopefully you found this very helpful, and if you did, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.